Okay guys, so this video is a lot different than my other videos. So today I'm going to be fixing my lawnmower tire. I just fixed this one. It works super good. If you have a lawnmower that's just not working with Fix-A-Flat or anything like that, this is a really cool alternative. And it's a lawnmower tire tube. My lawnmower tires are 16-inch by 6.50. And each one of my lawnmower tires are like $60. And I got a little lawnmower, and both of the front tires were flat on it, and Fix-A-Flat wasn't going to work. So I did a little bit of research, and people said to just buy tire tubes. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to fix it. Cool thing about it is Amazon sells a 2-pack of them for $19. With tax, it came up to like $20.01. So about $10 a piece for each tire. So this is the one that I'm gonna be working on now, because I just did this one. And the hardest part for me on the other tire was breaking the seal. So I just did that with a crowbar. That was probably the hardest part of the whole thing, and getting the little air tongue thing, whatever that's called, in there. So we just gotta break the seal, and then that will be the first step. So I just kind of took a crowbar and went all the way around it, and eventually broke the seal. So as soon as I get the seal broke on this one, I will come back and do the next. Okay, so the next step, once you get the seal broke on it, and you'll know once you get the seal broke, you'll be able to see all inside the rim. And the next part can be a little bit tricky. So I have soaked my tire tube in some soapy water, and then on my tube there's a blue line that'll go on the inside of your tire. Let me just see if I can't show you here, like this, and then this part is going to be the stem right here, and you're going to pop the old stem out. You don't need the old stem from the actual tire. And again, if you watch my other videos, my dog always got to be up in trouble. So I'm just going to get it good and wet again, and then where your stem is, you're going to, I started there, so you're just gonna like push this in all the way around. So some people said, oh, you can use like a screwdriver. I didn't chance it on my other one. I really don't want to pop it, you know, so I'm not gonna use that. I just kind of use my fingers, and then when I get the stem, I'll just slide that in, just like that. And then I'll just push the stem up through there so that I don't like lose it. And then pretty much you're just going to push it in all the way around. I'll probably speed this video up because it's gonna take me a minute or two. I guess you could also put water in a spray bottle, but for the sake of this, I'm not. So I'm gonna take this crowbar and lift my tire a little bit so I could get some space. I'm not pushing it against the tube. I'm only pushing it up on my tire and my rim, and then pushing the tube down into the tire. And it will get tighter as you go around, so definitely be prepared for that. I'm just kind of stretching the tire against the rim, because this side is like quite pinched. For the sake of this video, as soon as I get it all pushed in there, I will come back and show you the air up process. Okay, so with the next part, I only have my little car and everything. So we're just gonna go ahead. Now make sure you don't drop the plum back in the see like all that like seal together. Anyway, that is how you fix a tire with a tire tube.